So you guys gave me a good excuse to clean out my bag here, but this is what I carry. So here's a tool. The icon light, it's like 45 bucks. Again, worth every penny. I love adult show and tell. But anywho, the 5 Milwaukees I carry, this is my impact. Carry him on my bag. I carry the die grinder on the bag. And I carry the drill. These 3 stay in the van. And I have more in the van, but these are significant. So, the Dremel, absolutely. The cutoff wheel, gotta have it. And then, of course, talking about the bandsaw. I mean, the band file. Alright, so it's infinitely variable. Forward, reverse, high and low. And if you guys aren't putting golf balls as handles, come on now. I mean, gotta do it.